It's the blizzard of 2016. Hi, Oops. It's a blizzard. Look at the size of that puppy.
Dad, put your head up, head up.
Don't throw at my phone, though.
Look at the side of his snowball.
Ooh. Stop whining on my video. Wow, I might fall. Look at all this snow. Oh my god, I'm gonna fall. Look at all the snow. Wow, almost a crash.
Dad, just get like a good picture.
Oh, Aubrey.
I'm gonna break this thing.
Aubrey's in the snow.
Nah, me and Munch had the same one. We were flying down hills. I broke it eventually, but
How was it?
watch out for Munch coming up.
Munch.
Dana's holding the sled. She got the reins. My feet are already cold.
I'm so scared.
You need a push, Dana?
Probably my fat ass.
No, use your hand, Dana, and just like your skateboard. Oh my god, you're broke.
Oh my god, it broke! No, anyway.
Oh no! She said she was gonna break it. You could still ride it.
Dana! It
Munch,
broke!
watch out for Dana to move.
Oh, mommy broke the side.
Oh my god! Woo! Look at Hobbs.
Did you get me on my butt?
Yes.
Hey, baby!
In all my glory? Wait, look at my butt now.
Nah, it looks good actually.
You like your glove?
Yeah.
You like
You
your
wanna go
chew
down
on your
that?
glove?
Turn around. Come on, sit down.
Where's Munch? There he
Put
is.
your butt down. Let's go. You want to go down that way?
Mimi wiped out. Roll these.
How much, good? You watching? Let me tape you go down again.
Okay.
How would you guys go? Oh, no, probably not. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
You always want to lay down like a
Oh my god.
what are those things called?
Yeah, buddy.
Bobsled.
I know.
He doesn't care where he's going. He just lays
Then
back.
I'm on the bobsled
If you
team.
laid down, he would have probably fell over.
Okay, Baba.
Oh, Aubrey's eating snow. Look at her.
I can't get down.
She's eating snow.
You eating the snow?
Jackson.
Now, you know we got to get one of those.
Go, Munch.
Well, we got to get one of those snow tubes.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
what
they
we
don't break the tube.
need.
Yeah.
I have like a high
God.
pressure.
That went pretty good.
Dad, come on, baby. Can you bring the sled? Can you drag
Aubrey?
the sled?
Ugh,
All right,
She's just
I'm so
chilling.
sore. I mean, I
Oh,
can't.
off the shoveling?
Oh,
Yeah.
what were you
man.
thinking shoveling all that snow?
you got both.